And now the news in detail. India formally assumed the G20 presidency today for 1 year. Several events will be held across the country, including the lighting of 100 monuments with the G20 logo to mark the occasion. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said India's G20 agenda will be inclusive, ambitious, action-oriented and decisive. He said that India's G20 presidency will work to promote this universal sense of oneness, and hence India's theme is One Earth, One Family, One Future. The Prime Minister said this is not just a slogan, but it takes into account recent changes in human circumstances, which we have collectively failed to appreciate. He also urged the citizens to join together to make India's G20 presidency a presidency of healing, harmony and hope. Polling for the first phase of Assembly polls